Available in both 5.5 and 10 horsepower versions and with tank sizes to suit any requirement, BOSS Silent Compressors are built with a special soundproof housing complete with noise reduction insulation, reducing the unit noise level to a low and impressive 68 decibels. All units come with a unique fan force ducted cooling system, high efficiency electric motor, cast iron pumps plus stainless steel reed valves for increased life and low noise level. With easy access to adjust belt tension, all panels can also be removed in minutes for easy maintenance. With high quality components and multiple noise reducing features, BOSS Silent Compressors are the perfect choice for noise sensitive workshops.